Welcome to this video, guys. In this video we're going to see how we're going to create a stack for S3 bucket. In last video we have created a stack for DynamoDB. In this one we will create for S3. To create a stack for S3 bucket, first we have to import this library. Okay, AWS CDK lib / AWS -S3. This library we have to import. Okay, once we have imported, then we have to create a class for this bucket. I mean instance for this class, new S3 bucket. So we will see what is the options we have given to create a S3 bucket. The first one is bucket name. So bucket name is globally unique. That means whoever creating the bucket in entire world in the AWS infrastructure, the bucket name should be unique. To make this bucket name uniqueness, I have attached my account to the name. Okay, this is my project name, so I have added a account name to this one, account ID, so that my bucket name will become unique globally. Now removal policy. So removal policy I have given as written. What it will do, even though I have did the CDK destroy, my bucket will not be destroyed. Why we will keep this one? See, let's suppose say assume in a real-time scenario the bucket contain the files of the customer or your client, either the bucket or your database records. This is belongs to the real client, your customer. So it should not be deleted by external, I mean automatic code like CDK or any API calls like that. It have to be deleted intentionally by a administrator is the good practice. So to avoid the CDK destroy command to delete my bucket, I have given a retain option, so it will not delete my bucket. Next, version is equal to true. Version true, which I have given here. Let's suppose say you have uploaded a file in a bucket. Again you have uploaded another file with the same name. So what will happen? The previous one will be replaced by the new one. That will happen. But I don't want that. I want each version, I mean how the change is happening, I want to see. So I want each version of a file. So I am giving version is equal to true. Next, cross origin resource sharing. If you see, we are giving the pre-signed URL to the customer so that he can upload or get the details from a browser. So browser is a different origin and our server is a different origin. To make this cross origin resource sharing happening smoothly, we have to allow some specific options. So here I am allowing the methods get, put, post, and origin star, headers also star. See, this star indicate a wildcard which allow any origin, any header. But if you are working for a financial institute or any e-commerce websites, then you have to mention your specific domain here, so that only domain will be allowed to do this action. So as of now, for the simplicity, for development purpose, I have given a star. Coming to the max age, what it will actually indicate, before making a cross origin request, you have to make a pre-flight request. I mean before making original call, you have to make a pre-flight call from the browser. Let's suppose say this max is very less, then you have to make this pre-flight call very often. If you given a max is, then it would be cached at a backend, so it would be smooth. I mean we can reduce number of network calls. Now come to the lifecycle rules. Okay, we will give the lifecycle rules because let's suppose say we have uploaded some documents or files to the S3 bucket, but actually we are not using those files day by day. Let's suppose say I have kept one file which is not used, I mean not retrieved for a long period of time like 90 days. Then I will move to another classification of S3 bucket. S3 have different kinds of classifications. By default it will go to the higher, day-to-day use classification, but we have a cheaper options like a Glacier, okay, intelligent tire sharing, okay, some classifications are there. You just explore S3 classifications. So what we will do, after 90 days we will push that file to the archive, I mean old footage path, we will push that one. Okay, infrequent access class, we will just push that one. Now come to the cleanup one. Okay, so while doing a runtime code, maybe a CloudFormation templates creation, we will create a temporary file in which we have some files. Okay, so these files have to be cleared after 1 day. Okay, which we actually not required. Runtime files which we want to store in temp, those also we were deleting. Okay, this is the options of S3. Finally, this one is only printing the output of the CDK fan out function out. Okay, so this is all about S3 stack. Okay, finally you have to run the CDK synthesis command. Okay, so all the details I have given in this step9.md file, no problem. SDK synth. Okay, this particular command you have to give as previously we have given for DynamoDB. I am giving this one. Let me come to this project construction cd to build track. I am giving the cdk synth command. Okay, cdk synth. So it will create a blueprint for our CloudFormation template. You can see we have a DynamoDB table which previously we have seen in the last video. Now we have S3. Okay, if you see the bucket name and the cross roles and then lifecycle configurations and versioning, delete policy, finally the hash. Okay, so we have successfully created the blueprint for our S3 stack as well. Thank you for listening. Next video we will create another stack.